Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today we are going to be making furniture. Still no cars, but it's all right. Furniture making is fun. Audrey and I just moved into this awesome apartment. It is great, but it does need a few things, and we're trying to keep it on a budget. What we're gonna be making some end tables. One will go right there, and one will go over here. And then we are going to make a bench. Both things are pretty simple, so it shouldn't be too difficult. I'm definitely not a furniture making expert, but I can make some simple stuff.
Maybe an entire bus.
Yeah, but the furniture in the bus kind of looks like it's from Minecraft. Like it's just boxes and and this furniture is going to be boxy as well, but that's okay. For the end tables, they're going to be, well, boxes. The cool thing about the end tables is that they're going to have a hole in the front, and inside will be Axel's litter box. And then the bench will just be a bench. The bench will be nice because it will add a lot of seating here, so we can play some sick board games and have enough chairs. I'm pretty sure these dining room chairs were like 200 bucks a piece or something crazy. So don't want to buy more of those. I'm hoping to be able to buy all the wood for this for probably less than like 100 bucks. We'll see if that can happen. It is Black Friday, so going to Menards and going shopping might be miserable, but we're gonna try to do it. Let's go and buy some stuff. Race car.
Menards! Yeah, no, you might want to. Thank you.
All right, we got some wood. Definitely failed our $100 budget, but that's all right. I miss driving her so much. Winter. The office of the shop now looks very depressing because we stole all the furniture. We're gonna get some new furniture for in here. We never really use the couch and stuff much anyway. It's time to build some stuff. We got all of our wood, so we're gonna build stuff. Whoa, trippy. Yeah, I like it. The glue's not even dried yet. The bench is pretty much done. It's stained now. It looks fantastic. I'm really happy with it. The finish is super smooth. This is definitely the best thing I've made out of wood so far. Still not amazing, but it's sturdy. It looks pretty good. And it was, 100 bucks. So, I'll take it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start making the end table slash cat litter box thing. So we let the stain dry overnight. And now we are urethaning it to make it shiny and waterproof. Yeah, it actually blizzarded last night. It snowed like a foot of snow. Pretty much all the schools around here are closed. It's a snow day because there was a lot of snow. This morning I spent like 45 minutes trying to clear all the snow off the railing Miata with a hanger because we didn't have an ice scraper and the only thing we had was a hanger. So like a little plastic hanger. We just chopped at the snow and then brushed it off of our hands. This is what it looks like now. Really badass, but still pretty much covered in snow. We found out that they don't plow the parking lot of the new apartment. So it was pretty bad. A lot of cars were getting stuck. Audrey almost got stuck. We had to like dig it out and then like reverse and floor it like 4 times until I finally got it out. Mud tires are not very good in light snow and like packed snow on pavement, but they are really good at digging through fluffy big snow. So everyone was getting stuck in their cars in their parking lot, and here I am in my Miata strolling by them. It was pretty satisfying. But I had forgotten my camera here last night when we took the furniture back to our apartment, and then it started snowing, so it was too risky to come back and get it. So I had to come back this morning, got the camera. Let's go back to the apartment and show you the furniture in the apartment. It looks really nice. Alexa, pause the music. So here we are. Like I said, lots of snow. Not terrible, but a decent amount. First things first, the bench. Bada bing, bada boom. First thing you probably notice, it doesn't match the table. And you are right. It does look worse on camera. It looks too orangey on camera. It's not that orange, but it doesn't match the table. We tried our best to make it match the table. The table is obviously a little bit more red than the bench, but the bench does match the floor, so we're not worried. We think it looks really nice still. Worst case scenario, we can put like a leather cushion on it that's the same leather as that, but I don't think we're going to. We also decorated some more. We got a cool table thing and some other stuff. You guys probably really don't care about 90% of this stuff, but making your apartment look nice with like these pillows and everything, it just makes it feel so much homier. This is the side table / Axel's now litter box holder. The table part is really nice. It's obviously a table. Put a router up here so we have a little bit better Wi-Fi signal. The litter box thing is really nice. Obviously there's that, and then it just pops off, and boom, you got the litter box in there. A little bit hard to get this thing popped back on with one hand, but I did it. When we build another one, we're gonna make the box a little bit smaller, but the legs a little bit taller. And then the second one, we'll have the litter box for the second cat. We don't have a second cat yet, but we do want to get another cat. We feel bad for leaving Axel here alone during the day when we're both working, because he's here alone a lot, and he's very lonely. So we'll make the second end table when we get the second cat. But yeah, I think I'm going to either buy a coffee table from Goodwill and restain it, or just make a coffee table, because I can do it out of the same wood and stain it the same color, and it will match the end table and that, and it will match this. Oh yeah, see, that is more of the color of the bench. When you turn the light on, it looks orangey, but that's the actual color right there. And look at this thing over here. That's just... You have to go to the bathroom. I know you do. No, Axel, you have to pee. Just think about waterfalls, Axel. Waterfalls. Think about the waterfalls. Doesn't that make you need to pee? Go pee. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. For some reason, he always pees in the front of the litter box. I don't get it. He likes peeing with his head out the door. The waterfalls did the trick. Oh, what's this? Fab 9 tuning, engine parts, head studs, head gaskets, bearings, new pistons. That's right, everybody. I'm ordering all the parts for the new motor build, so that can start happening. So we can hopefully have the motor at the end of next month. It's already that soon. One thing I'm discovering is that they don't have any off-the-shelf 12-to-1 compression ratio pistons in the correct bore, so we have to get some custom pistons made, which might take a while, and then it also might be expensive, so I don't know. I just called Fab 9 and left a message, so hopefully they get back to me. But yeah, guys, that is going to be it for this video. I want to go ahead and apologize. I know I kind of apologize a lot, but obviously Audrey and I just moved in here, and we are still getting settled in. I am not working as much as I want to be working. I'm trying, so apologies for maybe shorter videos, maybe videos with less content. We're just trying to get moved in and get everything situated here. So once that's all done, everything should go back to normal. For instance, apologies for making you wait 3 days to see me build a box and a plank of wood. But hopefully you guys did enjoy watching me build a box and a plank of wood. I will say I'm really happy with both these things. They look like 10 times better than the first thing I built for the bus, which makes me really excited to redo the bus and redo it properly with like a real electrical system, walls and a roof and everything, and doors and sinks and everything. It's just gonna be so much nicer than it is now. But we have to finish the drift truck, and we have to get that new motor built for Molly. So priorities, I'd rather have race cars than buses. Although, not really. I like the bus. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. Go check out the gaming channel. I should have a video up today or tomorrow on that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, and bye-bye.